Hello, this is Daniel Borg, and this is just a brief summary of the progress I had this week and last week with the WaterSafe application that I am creating this month for application deployment. And this is 1608 course. And as you can see, I have my code file up and going, the WaterSafe application, and the simulation right here. I'm just going to go through a rough demo of the workflow and how this application is going to be used by the user. So this is the first page, the welcoming page I would call it, the welcome scene, and they are actual one file for that. It's just a welcome view controller. And what you do is you just hit the search local water button and it brings you right up to the first feature, which is the map feature. And this map feature will let you search zip code and it will display the location that you're searching, and then of course nearby locations in a table view, which I haven't yet created that data for. I just designed it so it could receive the data that it is searching. Also, the search zip code also has to be coded in, and but there is a file for this and it is ready to receive data. Now, as far as the actual map's concerned, the map kit is working fine, and then when you do, like I said, enter the zip code, let's say for Florida, it will come up and then we'll have nearby beaches with the actual indication of the water being safe or not safe to swim in. Now this has also another feature, the report. We'll get back to that in just a second. Now as far as the actual next page, it's the location page. It also has a map kit and it'll display your location. This is just the title up there, current location, details, feature, and then of course the pollution percentage, which I'm having a little bit difficulty trying to find that accurate information to monitor that data. And then there'll be an indication for safe or unsafe water in that location that you're looking at. And there'll be a refresh button, of course, for your current location details. And then the next two are just simply designed and structured for this is the news, so it'll be pollution news feature, and this is ready to be set up for an API to push that data to this particular page. And as you can see, I already have it all designed. Here's the news page with the protocells, and there'll be an image view, the title of the actual article, and a simple detail, which I'll be pulling from the API. And then, of course, is the notification. And this is also a simple table view, which I also have designed with the full report list, which we'll be taking a look at next, that you will, or any user that has the application will be able to fill in, and it will go right to the notification table view, which you'll have right here, and then it'll display your information on this right hand side, and that is a notification. And how you display and push that data is through the report feature, which was shown before. And the report feature is basically that location, pollution, date and time, other description information that you will the user will want to put in, and then they'll hit the send button, and then it will go right back to the local waters current location map. The only thing I had a problem with so far is once I come back from that report, I do not get the table controller down at the bottom. So that's one problem I'm having during testing. Couldn't figure that out just yet, but I'm going to. And the storyboard is pretty much completely laid out with all the files to start coding and pushing and pulling the data where it is needed. I hope you have faith in this particular project, because I know I do, and there will be no further delays for final submission. Thank you so much.